Welcome to my YouTube channel Knowledge Tech. Here we are going to discuss some example on the series and the parallel connection which have been
current
taught
in the
in
6
the
ohm
previous
resistance.
lecture.
So here we
So
are going to discuss, this is a circuit diagram of these questions. And now step 1, what we have to do in the step 1, see, we have to R3 and R4 are in the parallel connections, so we have to keep in parallel connection step 1. So R1 1 upon R3 4 equal to R1 R by 3 plus 1 by R4 equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 2 by 8 equal to 1 by 4. So R3 4 should be the 4 ohms. This was the first step, so we have to do it for the sort the circuit. So shortcut, this is a shortcut also when two resistors are in the parallel. When two resistors are in the parallel, so we can use these equations. So R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, direct we get 4 ohms. For example, we are saying here, see, 8 into 8 upon 8 plus 8, so we get 64 upon 16 equal to 4 ohm. And so there is a step 1, so we are going for the step 2. And the step 2, so we have taken out the step 1 where R31 and R4 are in the parallel, so we get the parallel equivalent equal to the 4. So here these are new circuits. So here R2 and R34 are in the series, so R234 should be 6 plus 4 ohm equal to 10 ohm. So here we get the another resistance equivalent for the R234, so we can again draw a new circuit. So here is a new circuit where R1 equal to 10 ohm and R234 equal to 10 ohms, R5 equal to 3 and R6 equal to 1 and voltage source equal to 9 volts. So here is a R1 and R234 are in the parallel connection. So 1 upon R123 equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 3 equal to same 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10 2 by 10 equal to 1 by 5 and R1 2 3 4 equal to 5 ohm. We can apply the shortcut rules also where it is given R1 R2 by R1 plus R2, we will get same, just like see, 10 into 10 upon 10 plus 10 equal to 100 verse 20 equal to 5 ohm, same as we will getting this. This was a short way to find out. And the step 4 where the voltage source are connected in 3 resistance R1 2 3 4 R5 and R6, so it will be in the series. So the R equivalent will be the 5 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 9 ohm. So, but our motto is not to find out the R equivalent of this circuit. Our motto is to find out the current through the 6 ohm resistance. So now we are going to find out the current through whole the circuit. This is a circuit where we have to find the total current. So R equivalent we have taken out 9 ohm and we note the Ohm's law equal to V equal to IR. So I equal to V by R, I equal to voltage source upon R equivalent equal to 9 by 9 equal to 1, as means total current should be our 9 ohms, 1 ampere, total current should be 1 ampere. So but we have to find out the current through 6 ohm resistance. So here is the figure of the circuit diagram of the first one where R1s, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6 are given and we have taken out the 1 amps current here. So there are many ways to do, but just one I have shown you one the example. So where we can use this here, just like V1 equal to V23, V1 equal to here V1 and V23 and V4 means across this V234 are in the equal to 1 V23 are in the parallel. So we make this circuit here. So here is R1 and R23 equal to 10 ohms, R5 equal to 3 and R6 equal to 1, R23 equal to 10 we have taken out in the previous steps. So we have to see so what we can do from this. And here V1 2 3 V23 here equal to this 5 ohms. So here should be the V23, so V23 equal to I upon R123, so R123 equal to 5 ohm, so V23 equal to 5 volt. So we have taken out the V23 and apply in the further equations, that is V23 equal to I23 and R23, where I need to find out I23 equal to V23 by R23, so 5 by 10 equal to 1 by 2, that's equal to I23 equal to 0.5 ohms. This is the figure where I have to find this I23, and after that again the previous first figure of the questions, that same I2 equal to I23 and equal to I34 equal to 0.5, because I have taken I23 is equal to the I2 equal to I33 equal to 0.5, so I2 should be the 0.5 answer. And so total current should be 1 amps, and across the R2 6 ohm there should be the 0.5 amps currents. So one notes was there that if the same of two resistance in the parallel, then the current should be the I by 2. Please remember this, I by 2. It will be give many answer in the short form in the MCQ questions. Then thank you, and thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe and like my channel, and if you have to give me a valuable feedback, then comment on my comment section. Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video.